In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox lag, stuttering, and performance issues. To get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device. Now head over into the More section by clicking on this More button at the bottom right. In here, go ahead and head over to the Settings by clicking on that Settings button, which you'll find here. Head over into the Device Preferences tab, and there you can go ahead and lower the graphics quality to reduce lag. Set this reduce motion into enabled, haptics into enabled, and any of these device preferences that will allow you to lower your graphics. So this will allow you to have a smoother experience on playing Roblox on your device. And that's basically how you can fix Roblox lag, stuttering, and performance issues. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.